And we have seen some of the factors that obviously influence the health status. Poverty, education, for example. But there is a bigger set of social determinants of health. The social determinants of health, according to the World Health Organization, are the circumstances in which people are born, grow up, live, work, and age, and the systems put in place to deal with illness. These circumstances are in turn shaped by a wider set of forces, economics, social policies, and politics. Now we have 5 categories of determinants of health. First of all, there's biology and genetics. Examples are the sex of a person and the age of a person. Obviously, age affects the health status of people. When people get old, when people get very old, they tend to be more susceptible to illness and disease. Then we have individual behavior. This is also a very important determinant of health. Sex and age is something that we cannot influence. Individual behavior is something that we can influence. And here we see some examples for risk factors, types of behaviors that tend to worsen our health. That is alcohol use, injection drug use, unprotected sex, and smoking. There are many more examples for individual behaviors that can either improve or worsen our own health conditions. A positive factor, for instance, would be doing regular exercise, which tends to improve our health status. As a next category, we have the social environment. Examples here are discrimination, income, and gender. Now this is very important. Income is directly related to poverty. Discrimination can occur, like for instance in the case of Australia, where indigenous people tend to have worse access to healthcare facilities than non-indigenous citizens. Then we have the physical environment. That's where a person lives and the conditions in that area. This can be, for example, environmental conditions. Obviously, people living in cities with high air pollution are more susceptible to all sorts of diseases that are directly related to air pollution, lung diseases, and so on. And as the last category, we have health services. Again, a very important category. That is the access to quality healthcare and having or not having health. These are the social determinants of health, and understanding these social determinants of health is very important when we want to find ways to improve health in our society and also to achieve more equality in health within our country or on a broader global scale